Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can upload and download the program in Siemens PLC S7-200 by wireless communication adapter by S7-200. So this module is related with the S7-200 Wi-Fi S7-200, and this already I connected with my PLC, which is now communicate already, and it's working. And I will show you this how work. First of all, we will open this Wi-Fi setting, and here you can see this is AMX301906669 is connected with our internet. Because of this is the Wi-Fi cable. This is Wi-Fi cable, and it's running. So in second step, we will open this is our software which is connected to the that Wi-Fi adapter. This is the local server. This is on and off. If you make it off, this will be not work. And first step, you have to be open device ID. You have to be put it here 301906669, because of which is the ID of our this Wi-Fi. This is the 301906669. This you have to put here. After password also this you can put, because of this password. Upside I will show you the device. This is the password. Maybe can I show you in the picture? My camera is little not visible, but this is the password. Same this password, this ID and password will be same. And after you have to be this selected. Here are many models you can find in this software: XNG, Honeywell, Fatec, Koyu, Panasonic, Schneider. When you purchase this Wi-Fi adapter, after this models Delta DVP, Fuji, Omron, AB, Schneider, Panasonic, this Mitsubishi FX, Mitsubishi FX2N, FX1X, Siemens, this one PP919, this is PP 9.6 kilobytes per second, and I use this PP 9.6 band rate. And when you configure this COM2, we will select and click OK. And when you start this one local server, after you can check your COM port, it is established, serial port succeed, it's okay. Now your cable is now, this is Wi-Fi connection is completed with the PLC. So in third step, this step is now completed. You can scroll down this one downside, and after you can open your software, and this communication timeout he says, but click it OK. Again we will make the communication. So check this one and cancel this one again, and make the communications, and double click at the refresh button. Now it's reading the address. Now this to address to 9.2 kilobytes, this is reads. This is unknown address also here is read. Okay, and this you will be click it OK. And after you can, if you like to be upload, you can maybe upload button, and communications again check, click it OK, and now click it on upload. Now which program is in your PLC, that will be backed up. Block type is in will type, the system block cancel, and again upload. Because of not any block in this PLC already backup, not have any, block. So again we will go to the simulation, and now you can see your program is now monitored. And now I will make it on and off with our remotely button. This PLC is now connected without any Wi-Fi, and when I press my push button I0.1, you can see it's now working. See, and I0.2 also is connected with our PLC. So when I push this, I0.2 is now working. So this is very easy method to connect the PLC wireless adapter. And there are a very reliable and cool system. I hope guys you will understand about this Wi-Fi adapter, how we can connect and how can use it and download and upload the program from Siemens PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.